figured a video might be easier on how to install that bracket, but our shop guys use the bracket and the hardware that come with the step. There should be like a big bag, and the things that they said that they normally do would be they take this bracket and they make sure that it's all the way down and just kind of setting down on this trim, and they'll hold it there, center it, so left to right it's in the center, and then they'll mark as they're holding that bracket there. They'll take a pen or a pencil and put it in the holes because the screws won't be in there yet. They'll circle the holes, so when they come back, this bracket won't be on here. They would have like 6 little circles that they had drawn with the pen. They'll punch it with a little bit just to put it a little tiny indentation in the aluminum siding. They'll pre-drill, and then they'll squirt a little bit of silicone in every hole that they pre-drilled, and then they'll put silicone on the back of this bracket, set the bracket on there, screw it in all the way down, and then just wipe it off all the way around, let it dry, and they're ready to go. They said it's just important for this bracket not to be up here. So they said bring the bracket down right along this trim, so you can see the bracket is lower all the way down to the trim. They said if you mount the bracket too high here, like along the top, it starts the bolts as they go in try and grab the bottom of the door, and the bracket gets like cockeyed. It sits crooked. So they said just center it, mark the holes, punch them, pre-drill them, fill them with silicone, put the bracket on, and good to go. And it'll just be right in the center, and it'll be down sitting on that trim.